the sea can be a very cruel place. It doesn't take any prisoners. There's other boats out here, yeah, who will come to your assistance, but you don't want to be relying on other people to tow you back or rescue you. So you've got to have reliable kit. This vessel is built and designed for the wind industry, also to be put onto the big motherships. They've been purposely designed and they do the job well. We maintain the fast rescue craft on the standby boats. They handle themselves well at sea, very manoeuvrable, really quite good. Yeah, I've been on a long trip up to Newcastle, Yarmouth to Grimsby, and then Grimsby to Newcastle. Sort of round Cromer, we then start cutting away from the land, and it was just rough, even with the sea keeper on. Well, we just came off a big wave. Yeah, it wasn't pleasant. I wasn't on the helm. I was in the passenger seat, and I ended up down there. And the one who was skipper, who was on the helm, he ended up down there. So it was not very nice, but the boat handled itself well. The engines kept on pushing. We then just sort of picked ourselves up and carried on. The boat and the engines managed it absolutely fine. Petrol outboards are fine as long as you're either close to shore or you're close to the mothership. But because these can be working one end of a wind farm and the mothership being the other end of the wind farm, you've got to have diesel. Plus, it's easier to carry. The motherships obviously have diesel tanks, and they transfer the diesel from their tanks to these. So you haven't then got the risk of large quantities of petrol. The fuel consumption, like on cruising, I base it on 100 litres an hour for both engines. Decided to go for outboards because changing an engine, because all our ships have a spare engine on board. So if worse comes to worse and they have a failure, they can then change the engine on the ship with not too much difficulty. Where with an inboard, it is a little bit more difficult probably to change, especially if they're centre placed in the boat, because that means trying to get them out through the wheelhouse.